This is our second grade math lesson 5-3. Continue to count back to subtract on an open number line. I can use an open number line to subtract tens and ones. So let's take a look here. Jeremy had 56 bug stickers. He gave, so we know we're subtracting, 24 stickers to Eric. How many bug stickers does Jeremy have left? Use the open number line to show your work. So we did this yesterday. 56 minus 24. Now let's see, 24 I can break into 20 plus 4. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hop back my 21st, 10, 20, right? Minus 10, minus 20. So 56 minus 10 is 46. 46 minus 10 is 36. And now I need to subtract 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. So 36 minus 1 is 35, 34, 33, and 32. So we know that 56 minus 24 equals 32. So we're just breaking it apart. Last time we did just tens. This time we're adding in some ones. And if you're able to do mental math in your head, you can go and do a hop backwards of 4 on that last problem. All right, find 68 minus 23. Let's use an open number line and count back. First, place 68 on the line. So we're starting with the largest number, 68. One way, 23 is 2 tens and 3 ones. So count back 2 tens from 68. So 68, 48, 58, 48. So right here, 58, 48. Then count back 3 ones, 47, 46, 45. Another way, you can subtract 68 minus 20 equals 48. So you can do a big hop there. Then 48 minus 3 equals 45. All right, how can the open number line help you keep track as you count back? Again, we're going to kind of answer the same way we did in lesson 5-2. I am able to see my progress. I am able to see my progress. I'm able to see how I'm able to solve the problem. All right, let's take a look at our guided practice. We start here at 28 minus 24, minus 10, and a big hop of 4. We can do it. All right, so 28 minus 10 is 18. 18 minus 10 is 8. 8 minus 4, I can do that in my head. 8 minus 4 is 4. So we know that our answer is 4. So let's see which ones we can do in our head. We're going to start this one at 50. We need to subtract 35. So I'm going to go 10, 20, 30, minus 10, minus 10, minus 10. And I need to do 35. So I'm going to hit minus 5. All right. 50 minus 10 is 40. 40 minus 10 is 30. 30 minus 10 is 20. 20 minus 5 is 15. So we have a difference of 15. All right, let's go ahead and go on to our independent practice page. You guys know the drill by now. Be sure to pause the video, do your independent practice page, and then come back and check it. If you get stuck on a problem, you can go to that spot on the video and get some help. All right. So we have 45 minus 13. We start at 45 minus 13. Minus 10, minus 3. 45 minus 10 is 35. 35 minus 3, I can do that one in my head. 5 minus 3 is 2, and our tens didn't change. So we have an answer of 32. All right, let's go ahead and go on to our next one here. 63, we always start with the largest number. 63 minus 22, minus 10, minus 20, minus 10, minus 20, minus 2. All right, 63 minus 10 is 53. 53 minus 10 is 43. 43 minus 2, well, that's just hopping back 2 times. So that's going to be 41 for a difference of 41. All right, 78 minus 46, 78. And I know that's going to be 40 plus 6. So I'm going to do my 40 first. 10, 20, 30, 40, minus 10, minus 10, minus 10, minus 10, and then I'm going to do my minus 6. All right, 78, 68, 58, 48. 48 minus 10 is 38, and 38 minus 6. Well, 8 minus 6 will give me a 2, so 32 is our difference. Okay, let's look at number 6. 92, and this is 30 plus 7. So minus 10, 20, 30. So I'm going to do this first. Okay, minus 10, minus 10, minus 10. I'm subtract my 10s first, then my 1s. All right, so this puts me 82, 72, 62. Now minus 7. Now 7, I'm going to look at the number here in the 1s place. 2 plus what equals 7? Well, I know 2 plus 5 equals 7, so watch what I'm going to do here. I'm going to subtract 2 here. Minus 2 gets me to 60. And then I need to subtract 5 more. Minus 5. That's going to put me at 55. So we can break these numbers apart to get to groups of 10, so it's a little bit easier to do mental math. All right, let's take a look at this next one. So I'm going to break this into 40 plus 4 for now. So I have 80 is where I'm starting, minus 44. Minus 10, 20, 30, 40. Minus 10, minus 10, minus 10, minus 10. 70, 60, 50, 40. But we still need to subtract 4. Minus 4. So 40 minus 4, if I'm counting backwards, is going to be 36. So I know that 80 minus 44 equals 36. Okay, let's take a look at our number sense. How many 10s and 1s will you count back to solve this problem? 56 minus 38 equals. Solve the problem. All right, so I know that 38 is 30 and 8, which is 3 10s and 8 1s, correct? All right, let's start at 56 minus 38. So we're going to do our 31st. 1, 2, 3 hops of 10. Minus 10, minus 10, minus 10. So that puts us at 46, 36, 26, right? And then we need to do our 8. Now 8, I'm going to try and look for a number in the 1s place. I know that 8 is 6 plus 2. So if I minus 6, that will put me at 20. And 20 minus 2 is 18. So that is easier for me to take a look at. So 56 minus 38 equals a difference of 18. All right, let's go on to our back page. All right, math practices and problem solving. Use tools. There are 47 raffle tickets to sell for the fair. Mrs. Brown's class sells 23 raffle tickets. How many raffle tickets are left to sell? So we definitely know we're subtracting. So we're doing 47 minus 23. Minus 10 minus 20. So we do our 10s first. 47 minus 10 is 37. 37 minus 10 is 27. And then we need to subtract 3. 1, 2, 3. So that would be 26, 25, 24. So that takes us to 24. Minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. So we have a total of 24 raffle tickets that they have left to sell. Okay, number 10. Ethan counts 78 carrots. He sells, so when we sell, we're getting rid of them, 35 carrots at the farmer's market. How many carrots does Ethan have left? So 78 minus 35. 78 minus 35. And I'm going to break that for now into 30 and 5. 10, 20, 30. Minus 10, minus 10, minus 10. So 68, 58, 48. Minus 5 is going to be 43. So he has a difference of 43. All right, let's look at our higher order thinking. Show 2 different ways to find 63 minus 25 using open number lines. So again, you might have some different ways than I will, but we know 63 is going to be our highest number. For this one, I'm going to do minus 20 And then I'm going to do my minus 5. So my minus 20, 6 minus 2 is 4. So I know that's going to be 43, but I still need to subtract 5. If I subtract 3 here, that will get me to 40. And if I subtract 2 more, that will get me to 38 as my difference, because we know that 2 plus 3 equals 5. All right, and then this one, I'm just going to do hops by 10. Minus 10 minus 20 is going to be 53, 43. A hop of 5 back is going to put me at 38. All right, let's look at our last one, our assessment. Again, when we see the assessment, we know we're going to have questions just like this on our topic assessment. Jen solved a subtraction problem using the open number line shown. Write the equation that her work below shows. All right, so we're going to pause the video and have you come back and check it. All right, so we always start with our highest number when we subtract. 56 minus what? 10 plus 10 plus 2. 10 plus 10 is 20, plus 2 is 22 is what we're subtracting, and we end at 34. All right, great job, everybody.